Yo, what's up everybody? It's Babe Jella. We're about to drop some serious travel knowledge on you. It's the worst when you're miles from home and realize you forgot something crucial. But stress no more, because in this video, we're hooking you up with 16 commonly forgotten travel essentials. So if you're ready to become a packing master and avoid those travel nightmares, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's do this. First things first, let's talk about clothes. Before you even touch your suitcase, check the weather forecast for your destination. We're talking a deep dive into the highs, the lows, the chance of rain, the whole 9 yards. Pack versatile pieces that you can mix and match. Think a pair of jeans that can go from a casual day of exploring to a nice dinner. A light jacket that can handle a cool breeze or a sudden downpour. And don't forget a hat. Protects you from the sun, keeps your head warm, it's a win-win. Remember, pack smart, pack light. You don't need your entire wardrobe for a week-long trip. All right, let's talk about the most important things you'll pack. Your documents. I'm talking about your ID, your passport, your travel confirmations. These are your golden tickets, your VIP passes to your adventure. Make copies, people. Scan them, email them to yourself. Have a backup plan. Sometimes things get lost or stolen. Having those copies can be a lifesaver. Be prepared, be safe, keep those documents close. Be prepared. Pack a small first aid kit with the essentials: Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers. If you're on any prescription medications, don't even think about leaving home without them. Keep them in their original packaging and make sure you have enough to last the entire trip, plus a few extra days just in case. Airports, train stations, buses, they're breeding grounds for bacteria. So what's the solution? Hand sanitizer and disinfecting wipes. Keep a small bottle of hand sanitizer in your pocket or bag and use it religiously. After touching those questionable airplane tray tables before you eat, sanitize. And those disinfecting wipes, use them on everything: your phone, your hotel remote, even the airplane seatbelt buckle. Depending on where you're going, bugs can be a real buzzkill. Mosquitoes, ticks, no-see-ums, they're out there and they're hungry. Pack some insect repellent. And not just any repellent, get one with DEET. Trust me, a few spritzes of bug spray are way better than a week of itchy bites. If you're feeling extra cautious, pack a small mosquito net. Better safe than sorry, right? You never know when you'll need to jot something down: your gate number, a local's recommendation for the best street food. So, always, and I mean always, have a pen with you. One that writes smoothly, that doesn't smudge, that won't let you down when you need it most. Because you never know when inspiration will strike or when you'll need to leave a strongly worded note on a napkin. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're traveling. So ditch those single-use plastic bottles and pack a reusable water bottle. It's eco-friendly, it saves you money in the long run, and it helps keep our planet happy. Plus, you can refill it pretty much anywhere these days. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and do your part for the environment. Airplane food is questionable at best, and those overpriced airport snacks can really put a dent in your budget. So what's the solution? Pack your own snacks. Healthy, non-perishable snacks that will keep you fueled and satisfied throughout your journey. Think trail mix, granola bars, dried fruit, nuts, basically anything that won't melt or get crushed in your bag. This one might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people forget their toothbrush and toothpaste. So pack your own, get yourself a travel-sized toothbrush and toothpaste, or if you're feeling fancy, invest in an electric toothbrush. Your breath will thank you, and your fellow travelers will definitely appreciate it. In today's world, our phones are basically extensions of ourselves. But what happens when your battery dies? Disaster. Avoid the dreaded low battery symbol by packing a portable charger. Keep it charged and ready to go, and you'll never have to worry about being disconnected or missing that perfect Instagram shot. Trust me, a portable charger is a small investment that can save you a lot of stress and frustration. Not all rental cars or hotel rooms have Bluetooth capabilities. So if you want to listen to your favorite playlists, podcasts, or audiobooks on the go, you're going to need a Bluetooth adapter. These little gadgets are lifesavers, especially on long car rides or when you're stuck in traffic. They're relatively inexpensive and can make a world of difference in your travel experience. What happens when your Bluetooth decides to act up? Or your phone battery dies? Don't panic. This is where your trusty wired headphones come in. They're the reliable backup plan, the old faithful that never lets you down. Keep a pair in your bag, and you'll always have a way to enjoy your tunes, no matter what technological difficulties come your way. Traveling can be tough on your body, so why not make your journey a little more comfortable? Pack a travel blanket and pillow. They're small enough to fit in your carry-on, but make a world of difference in terms of comfort. Trust me, your body will thank you. You never know when Mother Nature is going to decide to throw a little rain your way. So be prepared. Pack a compact umbrella. It won't take up much space in your bag, but it could save you from getting soaked. Sunglasses aren't just a fashion statement. They're essential for protecting your eyes from the sun's harmful rays. Whether you're lounging on the beach, exploring a new city, or just walking around, make sure you pack a pair of sunglasses. And not just any sunglasses, get yourself a pair that offers UV protection. Okay, we've covered the essentials, but what about the fun stuff? The things that make your trip truly memorable. Don't forget to pack for your passions. Are you a bookworm? Pack a good book or your e-reader. Love to journal? Bring a notebook and pen, make a list of the things that bring you joy, and make sure you pack them. There you have it, folks. 16 commonly forgotten travel essentials that will make your next trip smoother, safer, and way more enjoyable. Just plan ahead, make a list, and double-check everything before you zip up that suitcase. And most importantly, don't forget to have fun. Traveling is about exploring new places, experiencing different cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Safe travels, everyone!